I made this wreath for the back of my chairs at the kitchen island. My theme mostly is red, and I say mostly because I usually do just a blue tree. I have already started putting red throughout the home. Here are some touches of red. On top of the bookcases. And just a touch on the first shelf of this bookcase and on the second shelf of this one. At the bottom of the fireplace, and then the fireplace mantle. I took a white candle from Dollar General, which was all right, and I just painted it, the latter half red. And this 3 candle light holder, I simply used the things that I had here to do that. The bells were bought from Family Dollar. 2 came on 1 string. And the bow that was attached to the bell, I put them at the end of this garland. And I knew I wasn't going to use much red, but I needed something over here. And I thought about, well, make your own wreath. And let me show you. Very simple, quick, easy, under 5 minutes. Hit the subscribe bell twice so you won't miss any of my videos. Like and comment. Stay tuned. This garland was bought last year from Walmart for $3, and I believe it was 48 cents. What I did was took it and cut it in half. This is the half. And as you know, get it as round as you can. It can be a little stiff because it has the wire in it. Then you don't have to have anything, just use the wire on here itself to connect it. So we got it as round as we can. I don't fluff out the garland. I think it looks better to me without fluffing it out. But I do want the little circle to make it a wreath. And I will be doing this also for my cabinets, kitchen cabinets, at a later time. To keep in with the color of red and then blue, because that's the majority of color in my home. It's a country farmhouse. Well, I do French country, so farmhouse won't hurt, really. And this bow spool was decorative ribbon was gotten from Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, Dollar General. I believe this was for something, a piece. I didn't pay attention to the price because I knew I was going to get them. And that's not good sometimes, but that's what I did. So I'm just going to unroll it off of the spool. And then I just make it even, straighten it out. And then when I get it even, you decide how much fullness you want in the bow and how much you want the tail to be at the end of your bow. But just go back on itself until you finish. Get to your desired length of your tail. I decided to stop it here. And then pinch it, let it be the same length on each side. Okay? And then secure this with some type of tie. This is what I'm going to tie it with. Okay, and then just start loosening them. Like so, and I'll be right back. Here's the bow, and then we'll put it on our wreath we just made. What's good about this, you don't have to use hot glue or anything because it will help secure it with its limbs. All right, let's put it on the back of the other chair. Okay. And here's the end product for the back of the chair. The one we just did. And the one I did before I started this video. Again, thank you for being here. Let me know what you think. Simple, quick, and easy. And you can save money. because these wreaths can be anywhere from $10 up, depending on the size. If you made it this far, subscribe, like, and comment. Again, thank you. This is Stephanie at Traditional Home.